Hi guys, another rubber band powered car, just a small one. The only reason I'm showing you this bit of it is that I've used mouse ears, as they've called, to try and stop it curling up, because it's quite a long flat piece and they often lift up off the print bed. As the PLA cools, it shrinks a bit and that causes it to curl up. But hopefully, well, clearly it's actually worked, because that's printed nice and flat. And we'll just trim these bits off. They're not actually required for the car itself. The plan is to make a rubber band powered box of chocolates, or whatever you want to call this, tin of chocolates, plastic container of chocolates, obviously left over from Christmas. It is empty. Now, initially I was going to cut holes in the bottom of it so that we could put wheels through it and make it rubber band powered. And then I thought, well, how about 3D printing a little chassis that we can just stick on the bottom with double-sided tape? Then we could even get it to run when it was full. Well, I don't know about the weight, but technically we could get it to run when it was full. There's a little dimple in the middle there, so I've made a hole there so I can line it up with the middle. And then I've designed it so we can just use the sticky tape to hold it in place. And then we're going to reuse these wheels. They came off some toy. I've used it on a previous rubber band powered car. The axle is actually a knitting needle. I don't know, that's about 2.5 millimeters, maybe 3 millimeters, 2.5, I would think. I'll cut it a bit shorter, but I've actually designed it so we got wheel clearance. And we're not going to get a very long rubber band there. So it's not going to go for miles, but it should be enough to just get it scooting along in the kitchen. I'll trim off the mouse ears, we don't need them anymore. And then we'll just use double-sided tape. So say using that little dimple in the middle there as an alignment. And that should work. So I'll do that. Sticky tape applied. All right, do we want it pointing any particular direction? Probably doesn't matter. If I align that there, then that should be it. I need to shorten these axles. and then we'll try it out. Axle shortened to fit. Probably don't need 2 rubber bands. Could probably just split it in half and use half the power. Looks like it'll work anyway. Oh, can't actually see whether it's straight or not. Can't see the wheels. Okay, that works. We'll see if we can hit the camera. Okay, got the direction right. We got there in the end. So, rubber band powered tub of chocolates with matching wheels, funnily enough.